In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Easybib to help you generate your works cited entries for the Occupational Outlook Handbook. The Occupational Outlook Handbook has multiple web pages, and each one you'll have to cite differently. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the learning module we're in, Module 5, go to the assignment folder, and then scroll down and make sure I have both the Occupational Outlook Handbook website and the Easybib website both open. I already have them both here, but if you needed to, they're both right here. So here's Easybib. Again, you want to make sure it's on the MLA citation style. And here I have the Occupational Outlook Handbook open. So whichever one you're choosing to use for this essay, you can either scroll through all of these, and there's a lot of them. These are all just the A's. So you can search for them alphabetically, or if you know exactly which one you want to use, you can just type it in here, and if it's not exactly the same phrase, it should pull up similar ones. Just for this example, we're going to use just this first one, kindergarten elementary school teachers. So I'm going to click on this, and this will take me to the main summary page for this. So the easiest way to use any of this information that I see just on this page is by citing just the summary page for kindergarten elementary school teachers right here. So to generate the works cited entry, just copy and paste the URL into Easybib, and then cite it. It'll tell you what information Easybib was able to pull and what it wasn't, but you always want to double check all of it. Click Continue. Article title is Summary, but it's the summary for kindergarten elementary school teachers. So you want to add this to the title of the web page just by copying that, going back to Easybib, and pasting elementary school teachers summary in there as well. Contributors, for all of these ones, it's all a general web page, so there's no one single author for all of these. So when you look at Easybib, you won't have any authors here, so it's okay to leave it blank for this website. Check the website title, that's correct. The publisher, that's correct. The URL, that one's automatic, so that's correct. Electronically published, you want to go back to that page, and again, you're looking for a copyright date or an update date or anything like that. In this case, we have a published date of Wednesday, January 8th, 2014. So go back to Easybib and put in January 8th, 2014. And it should insert today's date to make sure that you have the right date of access on it as well. Scroll down, click Create Citation, and this will create your citation right here. So now anything that we're using for this source, this will be our in-text citation. We're going to use the title of the article because that's what shows up first. So that's one of them. Now if you're using this same one, kindergarten elementary school teachers, but you're talking about what kindergarten elementary school teachers do, and you click on this hyperlink, it takes us to a different web page. So on this one now, we have to create a new entry on this one using this URL, and most of the information is the same, but there are some important changes. So you just copy and paste it into here as well. Click Cite It. Again, what it found, what it didn't find. Click Continue. And again, the article title just says Summary. We're no longer using the summary though. We're using what kindergarten elementary school teachers do. So it's an important difference. So we're going to copy that and paste that as the article title. Again, no authors. Date electronically published. Go back to that one and double check. So this one is the same, January 8th, 2014. So go back to Easybib, put in the date, and then click Create Citation. And if you scroll, you'll see that we have the two different entries, and they're almost identical. The only difference is one of them says Summary inside of the title, and one of them says Do inside of the title. So this is important because if you're citing one of these, that I should know to look at the summary page. But if you're citing something from this one, I should know to go to the page where it talks about what these people actually do. And you would do the same thing if we go back to this. If I was using one for work environment, that would be a different works cited page and a different in-text citation. If I use one from here, different works cited entry, different works cited in-text citation, and same thing for all these different ones, because each one of these is a different hyperlink that takes you to a different web page. So you'd want to make sure to actually include which web page that is. For this one, again, it just says kindergarten elementary school teachers, but the title of this one is still pay. So you would have kindergarten and elementary school teachers pay, all is the title. So I'll just do this one for you real quick. So again, copying and pasting the URL, click continue. Again, every single one of these just says summary. What it should say is kindergarten and elementary school teachers. And then in this one, the word pay needs to be part of the title as well. So kindergarten and elementary school teachers pay. Again, no authors. The date is probably the same, but you always want to double check. Nope, still the same. January 8th, 2014. And then create citation. So again, when you look at each one of them, there's very minor difference in the works cited entry because all the rest of the information is pretty much the same. But to make sure we know which one we're talking about, these different phrases are really important. Once you're completely done putting all of the works cited entries in here you're going to use from the Occupational Outlook Handbook, what you can do is click Export, Print as Word Doc, Download for MS Word, and then save it wherever you want to. I'm going to save it to the desktop. And what this does is after you've generated all of your works cited entries, you open up this file and it formats it for you. So it places works cited centered the way it's supposed to be. It double spaces everything. It has what we call the hanging indent here, to where it's only the first line that's flush with the margin and each subsequent line is indented. So it's kind of a backwards paragraph. But if you use the Easybib and you do them all like this, it'll make the works cited page for you. Then all you have to do is copy and paste this, making sure to maintain the formatting, and make this your very last page of your essay. So that's the easiest way to make all of your entries for the Occupational Outlook Handbook using the Easybib citation generator.